I think a little under 6.
What?
000.
What?
So your graphics card by itself is $35. Your case is gonna be another $500. Your RAM is another $1,000. So you're basically like $400 there. You got $200 for your power supply.
That's crazy.
$200 for
This
your
is so
2
crazy.
terabyte, another like $200 for your 1 terabyte, and like $400 for your.
And then monitor, that big ass monitor you had me buy?
That was another
We're not even done
18.
yet.
Oh, we ain't done yet?
Oh, she's using fans, I think. Fans and windows.
So you're looking at like $9 grand so far.
$9 grand for a PC?